So inside the box here is 10 of the 13 3.7 volt 16 milliamp hour battery packs. They're pouch cells, so they're quite large rectangular cells formed together in 3 different packs. There's a 6-pack in there and a 4-pack, and then the final 3-pack is in here because I couldn't get all 13 cells inside the box. It's just too small. The bicycle triangle isn't big enough, sadly. So if I take the side cover off here, what you can see here is this is the 6-cell pack. So there's 6 of these 3.7 volt 16 milliamp hour cells in there. There's a further 4 in there, and there's a similar pack inside here of 3 cells, and they're all obviously connected up through 90 amp plug and sockets, basically heavy duty plug and sockets with heavy duty silicone wire so we don't get any current drops. At the front here, behind this batch of wires, there are 2 DC buck converters, which effectively, there's a 12 volt and a 5 volt. The 12 volt one takes 48 volts, which is the total battery voltage, drops it down to 12 volts, and that is 12 to 24 volts actually, and that is what powers the Bluetooth amplifier. And then the other buck converter, which is a 5 volt converter, drops 48 volts down to 5 volts and gives me 2 USB ports, so I can charge, well 3 actually, but so I can charge phones, I can drive LED lights and various other electrical features that operate off of the 5 volt USB. So that's what's inside there, as I say, and a similar 3-pack inside there. And that's basically what drives the bike. These cells are now 6 years old and they're still performing superbly because I've had a very careful charging policy which never charges them more than 90% and never discharges them below 50%, which is the best thing for lithium-ion cells. They don't like being sat at full charge, and they don't like being discharged to very low voltages. Those 2 criteria shorten the lifespan of lithium-ion batteries dramatically. So I have a sophisticated computerized charger which I preset so it never overcharges them, and on the bike itself I've got a voltage minimum voltage limit, so if I did get too low and haven't noticed, the controller will cut out before it drags the battery voltage too low. So the safety on the batteries is paramount for long life, no problems, and good performance basically over a long period of time. These should do 1,500 charge cycles at the levels that I'm treating them with charging and discharging, which is very good. So that's basically the power pack and how it works. So in my next video we'll do a little cycle test and a little ride test. I'm just waiting for some gimbal mountings to come for the bike so I can mount the gimbal securely on the handlebars. They're on order. Once they arrive and we get the setup and the rig, filming rig sorted, we'll do a little test ride video so you can see how she goes. But for now, I hope you enjoyed that, a little bit of information on how electric bikes are put together and what I did here in Thailand to get myself electrified. Take care.